Now, let's begin with the moment everyone has been waiting for. Guess? Yes, the annual prize distribution ceremony. Let's acknowledge the efforts and achievements of our participants. Now I invite Sejal teacher to take over.
And all present here, let's begin with the annual prize distribution of our tiny tots, class Balvatika 1, Rose and Lily. To do the honors, I would request our today's chief guest, Shri Sudham Kumbar sir, to give away the prizes. Patil Jaitik Prashant. He bagged first prize in drawing, first in origami, first in solo dance, second in origami English recitation. Mari Anaya, first in Diwali activity book, first in solo singing, second in fancy dress, second in solo dance. More Hindavi Deepak, first in English recitation, second in solo singing, consolation in clay molding. Gawad Jaksh Prasad, absent. Gawad Jaksh, second in clay molding, second in Diwali activity book. Garas Saidnya Sanjo, first in clay molding. Patil Asta Jitesh, first in fancy dress. Paste Drish Suraj, first in storytelling. Malekar Shriyansh Sushant, second in origami. Malekar absent. Muram Jiza Pradeep, second in drawing.
Ade Nirva Sachin, first in thumb printing, first in clay molding, first in Diwali activity, second in drawing, second in Rakhi making, second in education. Huge round of applause for her. Gaikwad Sanvi Santosh, first in Rakhi making, first is origami, second in kite decoration, second in cooking without flame. Oh wow, let's cheer for them. Dumbre Vaidehi Kalpesh, first in thumb printing, second in clay molding, second in Diwali activity book, second in kite decoration. Let's praise our kiddos, dear parents. Vaidande Riyansh Vaibhav, first in solo education, second in solo singing, second in Hindi oratory. Oh wow. Mishra Maitri Nilay, first in Hindi oratory, second in English recitation. Gurule Kirti Dinkar, first in cooking without flame. Dear parents, your claps are important, come on. Churi Shriyan Shardul, first in fancy dress. Dubey Aradhya Rohit, first in solo dance. Jadov Avni Rupesh, first in clay molding. Boyer Samad Sanjay, second in clay molding. Bari Riyan Sachin, second in solo dance. Coat painting, first in Rakhi making, first in clay molding, first in solo dance, second in drawing, and second in solo singing. Let's pat their back by giving them a huge round of applause. Come on, dear parents. Malaviyan Sagar, first in drawing, first in Hindi poetry, first in Diwali activity, second in pot painting, second in kite decoration. Churi Atash Among, first in English recitation, first in education, first in fancy dress competition, second in Diwali activity. Gone Arav Mangesh, first in solo singing, second in English recitation, second in Rakhi making. Pujari Mishika Mahesh, second in origami, second in education, second in fancy dress. Come on dear parents, your claps are important for our kids. Jadav Myra Sandeep, first in origami, second in drawing competition. Tanavde Vatsal Sandesh, cooking without flame first, he is absent. Dekre Vairav Siddhant, first in kite decoration. Ubade Amaira Nitin, second in cooking without flame. Devnath Siddhi Srivratan, second in clay molding. Patel Sanvi Santosh, Sete Manasvi Kalpesh, second in solo dance. Shah Prisha Yakin, second in poetry Hindi.
First prize in maths exhibition, second prize in English spell bee, consolation in solo singing. Joshi Rudran Siddesh has secured first prize in maths exhibition, second prize in Diwali activity book, second prize in story narration, consolation in English exhibition. Mahin Sharmani Swananda had secured second prize in English science exhibition, consolation in Diwali activity book, consolation in English poetry recitation. Vishwasrao Siya Girish has secured first prize in Hindi handwriting, consolation prize in Marathi poetry. Murje Grishma Bihang has secured third prize in drawing competition. Sheikh Yuvan Munaf has secured consolation prize in fancy dress. Chansika Swarali Vinay has secured first prize in English poetry recitation, first prize in fancy dress competition, second prize in dance competition. Patil Shrija Santosh has secured first prize in drawing competition, second prize in English spell bee, third prize in handwriting competition. Sankesh Riyan Samik, he is absent today. Saudari RV Sandeep has secured second prize in general knowledge quiz, second prize in Hindi handwriting. Bohir Sai Deepak has secured first prize in Hindi handwriting competition. Kamre Deep Kashiram has secured second prize in solo singing competition. Congratulations to all the winners. Rahatwar Shaurya Devendra has secured first prize in solo singing, second prize in English exhibition, second prize in English poetry, second prize in fancy dress, third prize in English maths exhibition, third prize in story narration, consolation in dance competition. He deserves the big round of applause. More Aradhya Shailesh has secured first prize in English exhibition, first prize in Marathi poetry, first prize in science exhibition, first prize in drawing, first prize in English exhibition, second prize in English handwriting, second prize in general knowledge quiz, second prize in fancy dress, second prize in maths exhibition, consolation in dance, consolation in English poetry recitation. It's a great achievement, Soumya. Naik Ajinkya Kiran has secured second prize in English poetry recitation, consolation in solo singing, consolation in Hindi handwriting, consolation in Marathi poetry recitation. Bohe Pratyush Ankush has secured second prize in science exhibition, first prize in maths exhibition. Sharma Nandini Vishnu has secured third prize in English handwriting and drawing competition, third prize. Chawan Samar Omkar has secured first prize in general knowledge quiz. Patil Rudra Lalit has secured second prize in dance competition. Thange Yadnika Ketan has secured second prize in spell bee. Parents keep on clapping. Patil Purti Ankur has secured second prize in drawing, third prize in story narration, consolation in maths exhibition. Let's cheer them with clapping. Vansh Vinod Kumar has secured first prize in story narration, first prize in Marathi poetry. Mishra Aditri Anik Chandra has secured first prize in English poetry, first prize in science exhibition. Singh Parishit Raju has secured first prize in spell bee, first prize in general knowledge quiz. Patil Tejaswini Ravindra has secured second prize in Marathi poetry, second prize in Diwali activity book. Chitte Chirayu Ramesh has secured first prize in handwriting. Nayar Adikrit Nitesh has secured first prize in spell bee. Yadav Raunak Dilip has secured first prize in Hindi handwriting. Shetty Shipra Uday has secured second prize in solo singing. Congratulations to all the winners. Patil Hitvi Hitesh has secured first prize in English exhibition, first prize in dance competition. Mishra Sandeep Praveen has secured second prize in story narration, consolation in science exhibition, consolation in Diwali activity book. Kadam Riyan Abhishek has secured second prize in general knowledge quiz, first prize in Diwali activity book. Rathod Kush Hasmukh has secured first prize in fancy dress, second prize in English exhibition.
And that is the best student of the academic year, master, and the best student of the academic year, miss. And this award is conferred to the best student master and the best student miss for their exemplary achievements in the academic year and for their throughout journey in the primary school. Here I mention primary school as very soon our students of primary section, they are heading towards the new phase of the school life, that is the secondary section. They are moving into adolescent period. Now their tantrums are also going to increase. So to cherish this wonderful memories, we are conferring this best student of the year to the class 5th student. And so without taking much time, I would like to announce the winner. For this, I request our chief guest, Shri Kumbhar sir, to do the honors. Yeah. We have 2 awards, the best student of the academic year master and the best student of the academic year miss. It's going to be a proud moment for dear parents too to witness this prize distribution. And the best student of the academic year master goes to Master Swaroop Amol Gaikwad. What an exemplary achievement this is. Master Swaroop Amol Gaikwad. It's indeed a proud moment for parents of Master Swaroop. And now it's time for the best student of the academic year, Miss. Any guesses? And the award is backed by Miss Sharanya Shailesh More. What an exemplary achievement this is, Sharanya. We all are proud of this best student for their outstanding achievement throughout their journey in the primary school. We hope Swaroop and Sharanya, you keep the same dedication, sincerity, obedience, and do respect your teachers and your parents. Congratulations once again. Thank you, ma'am. And now it's time for the most exciting and the thrilling award, for which the teacher in charge and the house captains, they just put their heart and soul to win this trophy. The best trophy in the field of academic goes to Red House this year. Red House. The in-charge teacher, Red House in-charge teacher. And the best house trophy in the field of sports is once again backed by the Red House team. Double congratulations to the Red House. I request the discipline captain, house captain, sports captain to turn back towards the stage. The stage is all yours today. I request the in-charge teacher, sports sir, to be the part of this honor.
Excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. Your hard work, determination, and passion have made you stand out. Keep striving for your greatness. For this just a beginning. Good evening, everyone. It's now time to celebrate one of the brightest stars of the institution. This is a moment of immense pride as we honor a student who has set an exceptional benchmark for others to follow. We are delighted to present the prestigious Pride of Academia for his or her outstanding performance and all-round excellence. He or she has demonstrated a remarkable external achievement by excelling in various competitions and even beyond the school, earning well-deserved recognition and bringing pride to the institution. Within the school, he or she has been a shining star, actively participating in co-curricular activities, showcasing incredible enthusiasm and talent. But that's not all. He or she also stand out for his or her exceptional communication skill, whether in verbal or written form. He or she expresses idea clearly, confidently, a trait that truly sets him or her apart. What makes this recognition even more special is his or her academic growth. He or she have shown significant improvement, demonstrating dedication to learning, impulsive cognitive development. His or her journey is truly testament to hard work and perseverance. This award celebrates not just academic excellence, but also dedication, versatility, leadership qualities. He and she truly embodies the spirit of role model for his or her peer. Now, I request all the dignitaries to give this award to. Let's give a huge round of applause as we invite Master Aryan Dange from class 9 to receive the Pride of Academia.
An outstanding performance this year. Let's give them a huge round of applause once again. This victory, we salute your efforts, enthusiasm and sportsmanship. Remember, every achievement brings us closer to success. With that, we conclude this special moment. Let's keep the spirit of healthy competition alive and aim for even greater heights next year. Thank you.
Sonaji,
the Vasai Virakala Krida prize-winning song performance, a celebration of art, culture and dedication.
This song has won hearts and accolades for its soulful lyrics, vibrant music, and the energy it brings to life. As someone rightly said, music is the universal language of mankind. It touches the soul and lifts the spirit.
सही कहा तुमने, जैसे कबीर अपने दोहे में कहते हैं, साधु संगत सब नाथ है, साधु संगत सब नाथ है जो मन की वाणी से गाए।
सचमुच लोक संगीत की जो आत्मा है वो उन बच्चों ने सही मायनों में जीवित की। उस गाने की लय और शब्दों में एक अद्भुत ताकत थी। उन बच्चों ने सच में पुरस्कार जीतने के काबिल बना दिया।
तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हुए उन महान नायकों को आदरांजलि देते हैं जिन्होंने लड़कियों की सुरक्षा और उनके अधिकारों के लिए अपनी जान तक की परवाह न की। उनकी मेहनत और संघर्ष को हम नमन करते हुए हमारे प्यारे कक्षा तीसरी के बच्चों द्वारा एक अद्भुत प्रदर्शन देखेंगे। ये प्रदर्शन एक सशक्त संदेश लेकर आया है। हर लड़की को बचाना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है।
ओरी चिड़िया तेरे उड़ान में है शक्ति, तेरे उड़ान में है स्वतंत्रता। यह केवल एक गीत नहीं बल्कि यह एक संदेश है। तो चलिए हम सब मिलकर इस प्रदर्शन को देखते हैं और अपने दिलों में एक संकल्प लेते हैं कि हम भी हर लड़की के लिए एक सुरक्षित और सम्मानजनक समाज बनाने में अपना योगदान देंगे।
चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे, ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। अंधियारा है घना और लहू से सना, किरणों के तिनके अंबर से चुनके अंगना में फिर आ जाए। हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम जुल्म किए, हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी। ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी। किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना, ओरी चिड़ैया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे।
सजन सखारे सुनो मेरी मैया, बोझ नहीं मैं किसी के सर का, ना मझधार में नैया। पतवार बनूंगी लहरों से लड़ूंगी, और मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया। हो अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया। कल बाबा की उंगली को थामे चली थी, से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी। आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी। छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने बदलूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी। सारी रात दोपहरी डर डर के नहीं चलूंगी, कैंडल जला के सैंडल दिखा के मर मर के नहीं चलूंगी। कदम मिला के देखो तो मैं साथ में तेरे चल दूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी, तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी।
Namaste.